Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone pink screen issue. If your iPhone has a pink screen issue, it could be caused by various factors such as a software glitch, display hardware problem or even a recent update. But in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone pink screen issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. So guys, our step number one is to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve software glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is move to the next step. Our next step is to update iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update often include bug fixes that may address display issues. So you have to go to the general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after updating your iOS version, then you have to do is simply move to the next step. Our next step is to check display settings. Go to the settings on your iPhone, then go to display and brightness and adjust the setting. Check if the issue is related to a brightness or color temperature settings. If you check these settings and these are all default and there is no issue here, then you have to do is check for hardware inspection. If the problem persists, it might be with an hardware issue. Check if the issue occurs consistently or in only in a specific situation, example using a certain app at a specific brightness level. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. Resetting all settings on your iPhone can help if the issue is caused by a configuration problem. You have to simply go to the settings and tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone pink screen issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.